In this video, we're going to look at how to reuse tile maps. So we spent a long time building up this tile set here. So here's our tile map. Here's the tile set. Now the tile set that we've been building up is actually this one here. So if we click on it, and you'll notice all of them are here. Now what we want to do is save this so we can actually use it in other levels. So now you're going to be creating a level 2 and a level 3, and to save you all of that hard work, we want to reuse that tile set. So let's start by creating our level 2 and level 3. So once again, what we're going to do is we're going to come up to scene, we're going to say new scene, and then I'm going to click on this 2D scene node, and then I'm going to double click and we're going to rename it. So this is going to be called level 2. Okay, click away and that should save that. So now let's go up to scene again, and this time we're going to play save scene, and you'll notice that it says level 2, so all we need to do is just press save, and then we're going to do exactly the same thing for another scene, so our level 3 scene. So click on scene, new scene, click on this 2D node, double click level 3, and then click away, and then let's just save that as well. So scene, save scene, and then it takes over level 3, so we just press save, and you'll notice level 2's in there already, so just press save. Now we're ready to go. So if we just come back to level 2, you'll notice that it's completely blank. So if you wanted to add a background first, you could. So let's just do that real quick. So we're going to come up to images, and then we're going to scroll down and we're going to choose a background image. Now for this one, I'm going to use the castle, so I'm just going to click and drag, and it's here. So just select the node, and then we can make it as big as we need to. So I'm just going to make it this big, but remember you can actually drag this as big as you want, and the actual scene can be as large as you want. Okay, so now we've got the background. Let's try and get that tile set in. So if we click back to level 1, we click on the tile map, and then we come over to where it says tile set, and what we're going to do is we're just going to click on this down arrow, and we're going to click the button that says save. So from here it gives us our main folder, and we can just save it here. So what we're going to call it is tile set, or main tile set, or tile set 1. Let's call it tile set 1. So tile set 1, and I'm just going to say, actually just call it tile set 1, there we go. So tile set 1, it's going to save it here, and it's going to be a TRES file, and that's fine. So press save. So now we've got it saved, we should be able to reload this on any page. So let's go back on over to our level 2 scene, click on the main node, and let's click on this plus button, and let's type in the word tile to get our tile map up. So double click. So now we've got the tile map. Let's come over, but rather than dragging anything here or clicking this and pressing new, what we actually want to do is press the load button. So click the load button, and here's our tile set 1. Click on that, press open, and straight away you notice that it loads up the tile set that we want. So if you click on any of these and you click and drag and you make your tile map however you want to make that, then if you press save all scenes, you'll notice if you go to number 1, that's still the same. If you go to number 2, that's still the same, but you've now got multiple scenes. So let me just show you that one more time. So let's click on level 3. Let's add the background. So if we come up here and we click on the background, and we just make the background there, just click on it, make it as big as you want. So I'm just going to make mine quite big. Now click on where it says level 3, click on the plus button. Tile's already selected, so let's click tile map, and then finally let's come over to here. So we've got the tile map selected. Let's come over to the tile set and let's click on load, and then tile set 1, and then click open, and once again we have that same tile set and it's ready to use all over again. Final thing then, let's just press save. So your mission now is to build up your level 1 scene, your level 2 scene, and your level 3 scene.